It's Ruth Roland with 5 fiddle kickoffs for you. The kickoff is at the beginning of a piece where instead of counting everybody in, a solo instrument plays a little ditty. So maybe the fiddle or the guitar or the mandolin plays something so that everybody knows the key as well as the beat. The drums can do it, or you can count them in, but that's not going to give you the key. So I'm going to teach you 5 traditional kickoffs, and you can put your own spin on them. If this interests you, subscribe for more of the same. All right, so the first one I'm going to show you is the chop. It's that simple, just 2 or 3 down bows, really gruff at the frog, and that'll give everybody the speed and the key. Right? So it's that simple. The next one is taters. 1 tater, 2 tater. It's just basically Nashville shuffle. And you can also mix and match. So sometimes 2 chops or 2 taters just isn't enough to bring in the whole group at the same time. People just aren't ready after that short of a time. So I like to combine them instead of doing 4 of one or 4 of the other. Combine them, that makes a more balanced meal, chops and taters. If you're enjoying this so far, hit the like button. It'll help other people find it more easily. So then there's the walk up. And that's basically just walking up the scale to the note. And we'll get into how to know whether to do 2 or 3 chops, how to know how many notes in a walk up, where to start, where to end. We'll get to those questions in other videos. But for now, just know that a scale is a possibility. That's a walk up. And then there are also variations on the walk up, different rhythms you can do with it. That's called Knickey, Knick, Knick. And there's son of a gun, I'm tired, which you either have to start up bow or do 2 ups in at the end of it. So starting up bow and doing 2 ups, right? Son of an up, up, son of an up, up. Those are already 5 to chop, the taters, the straight walk up, Knickey, Knick, Knick walk up, and son of a gun. But there's also, you could do a walk up in the opposite direction, which I'm not sure whether that's called a walk down. Leave a note in the comments if you know what walk up going in the other direction is called. But that would be something like this. And you can do that straight or Knickey, Knick, Knick or son of a gun. So we have the chop. Number 1, the chop. We have the taters. We have the mix and match. We have the walk up. We have the Knickey, Knick, Knick. We have the son of a gun. We have the downward version of all of the last 3. And that's it. That's all I'm giving you this time. If you found this useful, subscribe and hit the alarm bell so you know when the next one posts. I gave you lots of previews of coming attractions throughout this video, so you're not going to want to miss a one. I'll see you there.